Video number 2. Attach the winch to the 4 metre vertical section which you've just turned over. You can see that the lifting eye is now underneath rather than on top. So the winch cable is bolted above where the feet will go, which is the second marker from the bottom, second horizontal, which is 1, 2, so that you can still clamp to the 4 metre section with the legs without the winch getting in the way. I've tightened the winch up so the cable's not flapping around everywhere and it won't come off the rollers at the top. And I've threaded the cable through the rollers and then back down. Now I can stand this vertical onto the base plate, remembering to turn the 4 metre vertical section back through 108 degrees so that the winch cable is on the outside. So that's the next piece. To put the first 4 metre on its base plate, and then do the same at the other end, and then put the feet in position to hold it in place whilst you're working on it, and then you'll winch up the 10 metre span and bolt it to the lugs, and do the same on the other side, and then join the 2 metre crossbar members to it, bolt them in position, and that will make this square truss. I've now bolted the 4 metre vertical section to the base plate. It will stand up on its own, but I'll be better if it was held by somebody because of the wind, so I'm going to put legs on it to support it. It's very important that you actually support it in the direction where you're going to be winching. So we're going to be winching that 4 metre section up there and fitting it onto these lugs here when the other side's vertical, and there'll be terrific forces in the direction that you're winching there, so that's down the line of the 10 metre length. So there'll have to be a supporting leg in that direction and perhaps 2 supporting legs on the back whilst we're building it. There's the winch. The winch cable is going up to the top and back down. It's under tension and it's at a reasonable height to work on, perhaps a little bit high in this example. So I'll now proceed to put the legs on it and build the other tower at the other end. A word of warning, it's best to get somebody to pull the cable out for you by the hook on the end, not by the cable, because the cable can be sharp. So don't grasp the cable with your hands, and it'll only pay out about a metre or so without you winding the handle. You have to keep winding the handle to pay out more cable, and it needs somebody with tension on the other end to allow the cable to come out.